sanibonani lalela umsakazo Music Governs FM Channel 33 nobombele umkenenezo umphefumulo la sithi khona izwi laba ngumuntu ninjani kodwa siyaphila uNkulunkulu semuhle usasigcinile emuseni wakhe othandweni lakhe niyaphila nonke yazi sekuyisikhathi eside sigcinene kodwa uNkulunkulu unathi uyasiqondisa indleleni uyasivikela uyasifundisa niyaphila nonke America Asia Europe Africa I believe ukuthi uNkulunkulu nani siqalile nje isikhathi esisho uNkulunkulu kade esimemezela sesize safika ukubusa sibuse kulungeni sibusa entandweni yakhe sazi ukuthi nguye odale konke kudalwe nguye sidalwe kuye sadalwa nguye sadalwa kuye hey imystery kaNkulunkulu ekumuntu iyamangaza nje sometimes ngeke silahle nje sometimes as abantu indaba kaNkulunkulu nomuntu kuna tendency ukuthi sizihlukanise noNkulunkulu but impossible which creates a lot of divisions and all that kind of conflicts ayenzakalayo because sicabanga ukuthi sihlukene noNkulunkulu and the question ekade sibuza nje ukuthi udalwe ngani udalwe kuphi we know ukuthi umuntu udaliwe siyayibona evidence ukuthi we have the flesh we have ama thoughts esingakwazi kwabona kodwa uyabona izinto ezidaliwe and khona umuntu behind the whole thing who's make it run. I'm just thinking nje ufuthatha ispoon ufaka ukudle esiswini and you don't have any control ngokudla okuyesiswini kune system that is running someone programmed that system you know so we cannot deny ukuthi uNkulunkulu ukhona we don't deny ukuthi there is a creator so ilokho esifuna nje ukuthi siqaphele ukuthi singakhohlwa ukuthi uNkulunkulu ukhona and uNkulunkulu united with us because ayikho into onayo esemzimbeni wakho engenayo uNkulunkulu because konke kwadalwa nguye uNkulunkulu wasakha uma wasebenzisa umhlabathi wakhe and wawuvela kuye and all these things are living we should see there's something behind everything okuyona ke engifuna siqaphele balaleli ukuthi ingasikhohlwa ukuthi uNkulunkulu mayethi I am with you ushuthi nginawe kukho konke oyikho because he created you he created me and you we cannot deny that imvelo esibonayo ine DNA kaNkulunkulu and yakhiwe nguye akekho omunye uNkulunkulu there's only one creator who created everything and yena akadalwanga because konke kuvele kuye so nje ilokho kubalekile fanele sikubheke ezisihamba kulo hambo njengabantu okusenza ukuthi sibe nokwesaba and futhi sibe nokuthokoza nokuba neconfidence ukuthi noma ngabe kuvelani along the way endleleni kodwa uNkulunkulu uhlale nathi ingakho njalo mayivakashela umuntu uthi ungesabi ngokuba nginawe ungesabi ngokuba nginawe lalela umsakazo Music Governs FM Channel 33 nobombele umkenenezo umphefumulo la sithi khona izwi laba ngumuntu umuntu akabe yikho lokhu uNkulunkulu ayekufake kuye akuvele kuvele uNkulunkulu lokho ayikufakile uyizwi laba ngumuntu lapha ku John chapter 1 ngifuna nje siphinde siufunde uJohn chapter 1 nje sibuka ukuthi ngiyayithanda lencwadi kaJohn because isivezela nje a mystery sometimes esidlulayo. There are a lot of things ezisho Johann ezisinika freedom, ezisinika true freedom uma singayi understand. It reads as follows. It's in the beginning the Word already existed, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God, and He existed in the beginning with God. God created everything through Him, and nothing was created except through Him. The Word gave life to everything that was created, and His life brought light to everyone. And the light shines in the darkness, and the darkness can never extinguish it. Oh my God, nje mawufunda lencwadi ikuvezela into ebalekile ukuthi the word sike sithi uJesu uKristu omelizwi, and lelizwi laba umuntu and waba one with the word, and we became the word, a living word, and before the creation. And this word gave life to everything. So there's this concept of life esizokhuluma ngayo nje isikhathi siqhubeka, because sekufanele sikwazi ukutapha into life and be able to walk and follow it as uNkulunkulu eksibekela yona, because iyo that draws us, iyona lesenza siphefumule. There's life in everything, and this the word says izwi la nika ukuphila kuyo yonke into edaliwe. So anything that is living is sustained ngezwi, and izwi elikumuntu, futhi umuntu uyaba izwi uNkulunkulu alifake, ngoba uNkulunkulu sidale ngezwi, imicabango yakhe wasicabanga wasiqeda. So we have to believe that God is within us. Ade ngikhuluma nje ngithi uNkulunkulu hayi ukuthi unekhosombana ahlala kulona kumuntu, or inhliziyo kumuntu uhlala enhlizweni. That's not wrong if ucabanga kanjalo, but nje kunalenye i-view ukuthi what uNkulunkulu akwenzayo. uNkulunkulu ukuwe wonke, usezinyaweni zakho, usekhanda lakho, usemadolweni akho, usemehlweni akho, useyinweleni zakho. Mystery leyo ukuthi DNA yakhe yonke ama-parts omzimba. So umethi ukunawe kusho ukuthi ukwi-fullness yakhe naye uphelele kuwe, ngoba akakhange into separate from him, because kusho ukuthi kunoNkulunkulu omunye odala ezinye izinto. So yonke into idalwe nguye, so siphefumula yena, sihamba ngaye, silala naye. So ungesabi uNkulunkulu, nawe ilokho esifuna ukusho nje kule session. uNkulunkulu anipha amandla, anigcine futhi anikhanyisele, sibe nokukhanya nokuqonda izindlela zakhe unathi ngaso sonke isikhathi. And we believe ukuthi akazosoze asishiya. You know why masho njalo ithi I'll never leave you nor forsake you, because wakhelwe uzothini, ngayichaza ngithi nje lento, sakhe kuye, ukithi nathi sikuye. So we're going to read about that view because it's very important. Isinika isibindi nokuzazi ukuthi konke uNkulunkulu akufakile kithi kuye, and kuzophumelela. Kwazi ungaphumeleli, uNkulunkulu akayenzi into engayithestile ukuthi izophumelela yini. So it was created by him, and he knows everything. He's got a manual for everything. Yeah, siyabonga nje kakhulu balaleli. Thank you so much for ukuthi nilalele, niqhubeke nitshele nabanye ukuthi balalele. uNkulunkulu anigcina nisibekele abe nani. God bless you. God bless you. Lalela umsakazo nje Gavin the FM.